Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're up here in the hills and we have another leaking tile deck that we're going to be doing a project on. So we have several things going on here. You can see, of course, the classic signs of the tarps and the sandbags. It's all been leaking and there's all sorts of damage down below. It's been going in the wall system and the framing. But I want to point out a couple of things. So one, so I have this for memory here. This is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got 10, 15, then another 10, 15, so we had about 30 foot by about 2, 4, 6, 7, 30 by about 7 deck, and we want to also put in glass railings. But let's go back to some of the issues that are taking place here. One, terracotta tile. It is a no-no to put this type of tile on an exterior deck. It absorbs and it holds water. The right way to do it is use a porcelain tile. Porcelain tile is impervious and will not soak up water. Secondly, to use the right type of treated grout that repels the water. I can't tell you what they did or didn't do here, but that's what we do when we do tile systems. The other major flaw that they did here when they put this in, they blocked the bottom of the stucco system. The bottom of the stucco system is supposed to have about a 2-inch clearance from the finished deck, and you're supposed to have a weep screed. And what's happened is they now have trapped all the water in the wall here, and it backs up and it's got absolutely no place to go. We also have a oh boy, got a pretty good sliding door here. That's about an 8-footer and that's a 6-footer, and both of these doors are going to have to get pulled because the membrane needs to come in, come up in order to get a proper waterproof seal for basically a roofing detail. The other thing that you may not be able to see in this video is, believe it or not, this deck has a slope back towards the house. Don't ask me how, who, but it's a major flaw and I see it more than I care to mention. The other thing is that this has no gutter on it, so it's got a flashing detail, but water runs down the wall here, and I've got significant water staining and mold and mildew growing on the walls, and I can see already where it's penetrating in the top of one of the windows. So these are the things, when you see enough of these, you begin to recognize the problems that are inherent in these decks that are not thought through properly. And these are the types of projects that Golden Gate Enterprises takes care of. It's a very kind of complex and detailed set of construction to get this right, and it's not for, you need somebody that specializes in waterproof decks and all the related constructions. The last thing you want is just a general contractor who's going to call in 4 or 5 different people. We do all of this work in-house, all the waterproofing for the stucco, pulling the doors, all the waterproof system, the railing systems, all the finish work that goes into it, all of that we do 100% in-house. We're one of the San Francisco Bay Area's leading expert in waterproof deck systems. Matter of fact, we even put on seminars for building departments about what to look for in inspections and waterproof deck details. It's a specialty unto itself. Okay, so this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. If we can help you out, give us a call at our hotline, 510-909-8552. And you can find us at bayareacontractor.com. And the company name is Golden Gate Enterprises. Okay, we look forward to hearing from you. If you have a project that we can help you out with, find us. We're the experts. Thank you.